What if happiness isn't something you win? In The Courage to be Happy by Ichiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga, a teacher claims joy is chosen, not granted. We suffer when life is measured by borrowed rulers. Keep listening to test that claim. We chase recognition like oxygen. Praise dependence makes us obedient to other people's tastes and timelines. When worth hangs on applause, anxiety becomes constant. Freedom begins when being ordinary is acceptable. Can you stand unnoticed and still feel enough? Adler maps life into 3 tasks: work, love, friendship. Trouble starts when we step into tasks that aren't ours. Return to your side of the line. Burdens lighten, focus sharpens. Which loads will you set down today? Living honestly requires the courage to disappoint some people. Values before validation. Integrity before image. When you stop editing yourself for applause, a steadier self appears. The one that can hold conflict without breaking. Ready to meet the you that doesn't ask permission. Control shrinks connection. Equality builds it. Invite contribution. Listen with curiosity. Influence grows when dignity is mutual. Whose voice will you make room for next? Contribution is meaning in motion. Help someone, and you confirm you belong. Small service changes the day's story for 2 people. Who benefits from your existence before sunset? Pain arrives. Suffering is the story we tell about it. Reframe the event, and the feeling follows. Your next action rewrites the page. What new sentence could free you now? The present is the only workable unit of time. Practice happiness here. Honest work, warm attention, patient breath. What will you choose in this breath? Accept yourself and walk forward anyway. You already have enough to begin. Step small, keep stepping. Contribution will widen the path. Shall we open the door and step through? Happiness starts when you stop outsourcing it to approval.